Welcome back office executives. I'm back again with another Excel video, and in this video we are concerned about finding out the cell number. So we can easily find out the row number. So the row number is not to be revealed in any ways. If we just press control shift downward arrow, my bad, control downward arrow. So 10 lakh 48,576, that's the default number of rows that are being present within Excel. And when it comes to finding out the number of columns, control right handed arrow, we are having XFD. We can reveal the column number of XFD simply by going to the file, then going to the options, and from there going to the formulas and checking the R1C1 reference style and hit OK. So we are having 16,384 columns. So far so good. Now let's roll back to the way it was. It was means Excel was showing columns in alphabets, column number. Now our motto would be how to find out the cell number. We have already just seen that how to find the row number. We have already seen how to find out the column number. What about cell number? What is the cell number of this particular cell? And this and this. Wherever I am clicking over my cursor, what is the cell number of that particular cell? How to find out so? So we are going to find out the cell number over this range of cells, the range of cells which we have selected, and we will be using a formula equal to row tab to auto complete the formula, multiplied by column tab, and we know that for if we press enter, then the value will be reflected in only one cell, but we have a range of cell. For that reason we will be pressing control enter. So here are the cell number. So this particular cell is 21st cell. That's all for this Excel video. Let me know in the comment section how you felt about this video. Thank you all guys, and happy coding.